Pakistan has successfully unveiled its very first self-driving car at the National Center of Artificial Intelligence Smart City Lab, NED University of Engineering and Technology, Karachi. This groundbreaking achievement marks the beginning of a new era in autonomous mobility and positions the country among the pioneers exploring advanced transport technologies. The project, named Vision Drive AI, integrates a sophisticated combination of cutting-edge sensors.
You must have seen videos on social media where an influencer gets into a car and does not find any driver sitting in the wheel, yet the car drives by itself and the wheel is rotating by itself and the car is going around just fine. So this is the autonomous driving or self-driving technology which is powered by artificial intelligence. And while in the world we see a lot of growth, like for example 12% of new passenger cars are expected to have some level of autonomy by the year 2030, and by the year 2035 37% of cars are expected to have that around the world. We've also started seeing this kind of technology coming into Pakistan, especially in some of the SUV market. And for example, the Kia and Hyundai and Haval SUVs have this kind of technology, and some of the category D sedans also have ADAS features integrated into them. Now in Europe, they're expecting that this technology will curb the number of accidents by around 15%. So this is a huge plus in terms of making roads safer and in making the environment safer, while also making driving more convenient, which could play a positive role for Pakistan, particularly because we are looking at the China-Pakistan economic corridor, very long road on which you have to drive, and maybe 24 hours journey or longer journey on the road, which the car will just be driving by itself with the driver in there. So in order to prevent people from getting tired and effectively do that business, the ADAS technology could play a major role. So NCAI is stepping into the creative end of this technology, the creator end. Our lab in Karachi, the Smart City lab at NED UET, has developed a self-driving car which is equipped with Lidars, stereoscopic cameras, GPS sensors and other sensing technology, which gives it information about the pedestrians and other vehicles around the car on the road. And using the AI algorithms developed by the lab, the car is able to navigate itself, in these complex urban environments. And this is a very new step for Pakistan in getting in the creator end of the self-driving technology.
These technologies work together for real-time navigation and decision-making, relying on high-definition mapping and simultaneous localization and mapping SLAM technology. With this powerful setup, the vehicle is capable of positioning itself with exceptional accuracy, even in highly complex and unpredictable environments. AI-driven technology has a potential to significantly reduce human error, enhance road safety, and optimize traffic flow. This means not only cutting down congestion, but also improving overall fuel efficiency and environmental sustainability.
इसमें जो मुख्तलिफ सेंसर्स हैं जो इसके अंदर स्टीरियो कैमरास, लेडार सेंसर, हाई प्रिसिशन GPS सेंसर्स, ये सब हाई प्रिसिशन टेक्नोलॉजी इसके अंदर डिप्लॉयड है और इसमें एक इंटेलिजेंट सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमारी टीम ने डेवलप किया है। और ये सब पूरा एक कंप्लीट एक ऑटोनोमस व्हीकल जो है बनाने के लिए ज़रूरी है, जिसमें हम बताएंगे कि कार को बताएंगे कि जी उसको किसी एक खास डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचना है, तो वो फिर अपनी इंटेलिजेंट एल्गोरिथम्स को इस्तेमाल करते हुए उस जगह तक पहुंचेगी, जिसमें वो ये देखेगी कि रोड्स कहाँ पे हैं, रास्ते किधर हैं, रोड पे स्पीड ब्रेकर, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स, रोड साइंस, पेडेस्ट्रियंस, दूसरी व्हीकल्स को वो पहचानेगी और अपना रास्ता बनाएगी।
From extensive real-world trials to Carlos simulations, Vision Drive AI has been designed and tested to ensure precision and reliability in every possible driving scenario. The system is capable of adapting intelligently to traffic signals, recognizing pedestrians, and responding effectively to diverse weather conditions. With the integration of V2X technology, which enables vehicles to share real-time data with surrounding infrastructure and other vehicles, transportation is set to be revolutionized. Roads will become safer, smarter, and far more efficient. Vision Drive AI is more than just a research project. It represents a future of autonomous mobility for Pakistan and beyond. It is a glimpse into tomorrow where intelligent vehicles reshape the way we travel, making transportation not only safer and more convenient, but also more sustainable for generations to come.